Welcome to ERP Business-Sys Limited, Tally Software's authorized solution partner in East Africa. In this video, I'll take you through eTIMS in TallyPrime. We will be managing KRA's requirements through our system, so every time you create an item, ledger for a customer, supplier or an income ledger, it will sign with KRA. All vouchers in the system will also produce eTIMS details. API processes will be taking place in the background, so all the data from Tally will be sending to KRA. The details will be generated and stored into Tally and can be printed. The framework is as displayed. The Tally user will generate an invoice where the information is saved in every voucher. So each time you reprint an invoice, it will print with the same QR code. And the data will be uploaded to the KRA website in real time. You can verify the code by scanning it from your mobile, and it will direct you to the entry on the KRA portal. I will start by raising a purchase invoice. I'll input the supplier's name, enter a vatable item, then an exempt item, and a zero-rated item. VAT will pick on only the vatable product. It will sign with eTIMS. If you're a manufacturing firm, you can also enter a production entry. Which will also send to KRA and affect the stock system in their side. To adjust stock, you can also post a stock adjustment entry, which will do the necessary to the stocks on their side and yours. When I save it, it will sign with eTIMS. All entries will be done in plus VAT, and the same is available for inclusive VAT as well. I will raise an invoice, enter a vatable item, enter a discount as well, then an exempt item, and a zero-rated item. VAT will only pick on the vatable product, and I'll save. The invoice will also print with the QR code. We can verify the QR code, and the KRA portal will display. If we re-enter in the same invoice, it will not allow, as alterations once saved are not permitted. However, I can view using Alt-Enter. All the details will display, and I have the option to reprint with the same QR code. I'll enter a cash sale, and save. It will print with the QR code. We can enter a sale in a foreign currency for a foreign party, where the customer country would be India. I'll enter a vatable item, and I'll input the rate in dollars. The printout would be the same. When we scan the code, the eTIMS page will display. A sale to an EPZ company can also be done, where we define the sales ledger master as exempted. I'll enter a vatable item, there will be no VAT on this. and the printout will be the same as all others. When we scan the code, the eTIMS page will display. All types of credit notes are possible, the return of items and discount on item. We will select the original invoice number. Then you can enter the item and quantity. I will enable VAT details and select the reason I am crediting for this invoice. I'll enter the rest of the details from the invoice and save. In the print, the QR code would have generated. We can verify the QR code and the KRA portal will display. For anyone in the service industry, this same module is compatible with the QR code generating in the print format. I'll enter a service sale, add VAT and save. The QR code will display here. There is a well-made eTIMS report available to view the status of the QR codes and many other details, such as if there are any vouchers or masters that require corrections, for example missing information like a PIN number in a customer ledger. You can check all the details by entering into the report. If any voucher requires resaving as it didn't sign due to an error earlier that is now corrected, we can enter in the report and resave the entry so it signs. You can check all the details by entering into the report, such as selling more stock than recorded. Any masters that have been modified after being sent to KRA will also display here. Any masters or transactions that were not signed, when saving the option to sign was not accepted, will also display here. A summary of all masters and transactions sent to eTIMS successfully will also display here. The VAT form will display with all the sales and purchases. From here, you can export it directly to KRA's form with the CU invoice numbers. You can contact us for integration of eTIMS with the software and support over the year. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.